My name is Dylan Vannest. I'm from Las Vegas, Nevada. My business partner showed me one day, he's like, dude, check this video out. People are becoming Jedis. There's some place called something something USA. It's in Utah. We should go sometime. And then, yeah, and then him and Moss Mike ran into each other randomly, and now we're here. Kind of like everyone has their own random stories. Like I was watching some documentary, or I was scrolling TikTok, and it's like everyone's here for some different random reason. Really interesting, actually. This room is like a lot of like-minded people, which is cool. Not a lot of that elsewhere. So have met people here that definitely will become lifelong friends, and yeah, it's definitely a cool vibe, like nothing else. Actually, surprisingly easy to get an end result. Like watching this stuff, and it's like there's like kids driving go-karts and kids like jumping through poles, and it's like yeah, it's gonna take like a year to figure out. And it's like literally day 2, I'm getting results, which was just crazy. You gotta level up, baby. Yeah, level 2 is just like, level 1 was about kind of tapping into this new muscle and strengthening it. And level 2, we added a ton of new stuff, the cards, all the shapes, different colors, and tennis balls and all this other stuff. So level 2 I'll say it was probably a little harder, from the sense of like there's a lot more happening, but I can see once I go back and actually apply this stuff, there's like, a lot of crazy shit that's gonna happen. I don't know how to explain it, but like there's like this vortex of like, yeah, we're learning how to see stuff without our eyes. But more importantly, something else is happening, and we don't really talk about it much. Moss Mike doesn't really talk about it, but I'm like, there's like this vortex in my life where like amazing stuff is happening. And I've done Dr. Joe events, I've done Tony Robbins stuff, like, all that stuff's good, and I feel like I'm leaving with a tangible result that's explainable. Here I'm leaving with this crazy tangible result that's not explainable. It's like my life has radically changed. I don't know how or why or where it's coming from. It's just happening, and it's, seems to be aligned with this stuff. If you're looking to level up your life and tap into new senses, and whether it's your intuition or strengthening other stuff, or just be able to have a really cool party trick, then Vibravision is probably for you. So I do some of these at events that I throw for myself, and I have my team say, why do people call Dylan a marketing genius? Repeat the question. Okay. People call Dylan a marketing genius because blah, 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 blah. Why do people call Moss Mike a genius? People call Moss Mike a genius because, well, he is. No, but Moss Mike is amazing. Really, he is. He's so down to earth. He's genuine. He knows his stuff. Every time someone asks a question, he spends time to like really go into that person. It's going to be really unfortunate when this thing is 1,000 people big, and you're not going to be able to get that time with him. But right now it's a small group. So if you're watching this, and you're probably watching this hopefully sooner than later, then you should definitely take that step and take action now and come. But yeah, I love Moss Mike. He's amazing. Super grateful for Vibravision. Yeah, I know it changed, definitely changed my life. Jill changed her life, and so Vibravision, family for life.